Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you want to install apps on your iPhone without providing a payment method, then we are here with some steps to set up an Apple ID that does not require billing information. This is particularly used if you only want to download free apps or if you are setting up an Apple ID for a child. So let's get started. First thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone device. After that, simply tap on your name on the top to access the Apple ID settings. After that, scroll down and tap on the media and purchase option available there and tap on the view account. So after you tap on the view account, you will be navigated to your account section. Then simply tap on the country and region option available there if you have not set it already. It might take some time. So there you will get to see the change country or region option available in the blue highlights. Tap on it. After you tap on the change country and region option available there, you will be navigated to a list of countries name. Choose your country. Here I am choosing one country as an example. After you tap on the country name, all you have to do is agree with the terms and condition provided by the Apple. Now you'll be navigated to a page to enter your card details and many more, but you can see the none option available there. Simply tap on the none to decline the payment method. After that, all you have to do is enter your normal street address of your country and continue with the process and it will be done. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.